Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm a little bit sick, but I wanted to film this video and get it up for you guys. It's just going to be a makeup video. I'm getting ready for my pictures for soccer. I just got home from school, wiped off my makeup from the day, and I'm gonna start fresh. The first step that I do is I take the Mario Badescu spray, aloe and green tea one, and I just go ahead and spray this on my face because, I don't know, it's just like refreshing. My face is like kind of red because, well, I'm sick, I'm sunburnt, and it's really hot in my room. Like, I'm sweating. While my face is drying, I just take a hair tie and I pull back my hair. And the next thing I do is I go ahead and I put on some chapstick. So I'm just using this EOS. I think it's like vanilla coconut or something. Anyways, the next step for me is to take the Shape Tape concealer. I'm in the shade Light Medium Honey. And then I will put a little bit wherever I have like a zit or something. So right now I have a little bit of acne right in between my eyebrows, and I have a little bit right here. Anyways, so that's that. If you're wondering why I'm in a different location, it's because since it's after school, the lighting is way different in my room. This is the only place I could get decent lighting. So sadly, I do have to use a mirror to do my makeup. I will take a dampened beauty blender and I just go ahead and pat that into my skin. When I'm covering zits, like in between my eyebrows, I take this Tarte brush, and it's like my favorite brush ever, but it's so dense and it works so well. It's a little bit dirty, but I love this brush so much. So I'll go ahead and take this and use that for any areas where I have zits. For today, because I'm kind of sunburnt and I do have pictures later, I'm just gonna go back in with the concealer and add a little bit like on my cheek and my nose and on my chin. And I find that this brush just like does such a perfect job. I love it so much. I would highly recommend this. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I take my big fluffy brush, which I got from Target like 2 or 3 years ago, and I get a little bit on, then I'll pat it off because I don't want that much powder at all. I just keep on patting. Well, I take this powder and I just put it on my face wherever I put concealer. And then I will rub the excess just all over. And today I'm gonna even go back in with a little bit more so that I'm not super oily for pictures today. The next step I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna take some of this Hoola bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just gonna dust a little bit of that on. I don't always use bronzer, but just once again, because I have pictures today, I'm just doing a little bit extra. And I'm just putting that around my forehead and a little bit on my cheekbones, and then down my jawline just so it matches. Then, because I am sunburnt, I'm literally putting like a little bit of this on my nose and my cheeks just to kind of mask that even more. So my next step is eyebrows. I'm taking the Benefit Gimme Brow in shade 3, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush that through my brows. I have like no eyebrows, you can't even see them. So I go in with this like Pixie clear brow gel, which I'm basically out of. I have to like scrape to get any out. And I will take this and just brush it through my eyebrow to like make it not as dark. So my next step involves a Q-tip. What I do with this is go around my whole eyebrow just to clean it up. After that, I will set my Q-tip aside because I will use it later. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Tarte in Bloom eyeshadow palette. And the first thing I do is I'm taking this shade, Charmer, and that is the lightest shade in the palette. And I mix it with a little bit of Flower Child, pat it off, and I just put that all on my lid. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking this shade here, Smarty Pants, and I'm dipping into that and Flower Child at the same time and using that as a transition shade. This look I'm going for is just a pretty light, natural look, just because I would like to add a little bit extra for pictures today, but I don't want to have like the darkest eyes. I'm going to be dipping into the shade Jet Setter, which is this cool tone brown right here, and this will be my crease shade. I'm just going in once again with the shade Charmer, and I'm just going to put that on my center lid one more time. And basically, just take this brush and rub everything together one last time. So back in with the Mario Vescu spray, and I just set everything on my face. And I honestly feel like it just like kind of blends all of your makeup together. Next thing I will be doing is curling my eyelashes and adding some mascara. This is the Great Lash by Maybelline, and it's in waterproof. Usually I will do the bottom and top lashes, but I don't want my eyes to look like so dark in a picture. I think this is focused. I really hope it is. But anyways, so I just curled my eyelash, and the next thing I'm gonna do is just take this mascara. I try my best not to put too much on because I'm blonde and I feel like it looks weird if I put too much on. Story time. When I was in like the 6th grade, one person told me that eyelashes have split ends. So me, as a little 7th or 6th grader, however old I was, thought, let me give my eyelashes a haircut and get rid of those split ends. Stupid little me trimmed my eyelashes, and they have never been the same since. In this lighting, my eyeshadow looks really, really dark, but in person it's actually not that dark. If any of you guys have cut your eyelashes, comment down below and let me know, because I've never found anyone else that has done the same stupid thing as I. I always mess up my mascara and I always get it on my eyelids. And that is where this little Q-tip comes into hand. So I take this Q-tip and I find wherever I have mascara and it just wipes it off. Then, because I've obviously just messed up my eyeshadow, I go in with this Luxie 140 detailed taper brush. I just go in and I just blend everything out one final time. The next thing I'm going to be doing is just going in with some lipstick. The one that I'm using today is this Tarte lipstick. I'm not sure what it's called, but I really, really like it. I have it in the shade Buff, and what I do is, you know, just put it on my lips. This was such a cool time to show you guys my makeup routine, and such a great opportunity because I don't usually wear this much makeup, and I thought that seeing me put on concealer, eyebrows, and mascara would be a pretty boring video, so I decided to take this opportunity to show you guys what I'm doing for my soccer pictures. So once again, if any of you guys have cut off your eyelashes, let me know down below, because I'm all by myself in this lonely like community where people cut off their eyelashes. Yeah, so this is the finished look. I'm in no way good at makeup. I'm literally 15 years old and do my makeup in like 5 minutes every single morning on the rush to get out the door for school. That's all for my video today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.